Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Flowers have petals, which are like little wings. The center of a flower is where the pollen lives. Pollen helps flowers make seeds for new plants. Bees and butterflies love to visit flowers for their nectar. The sun helps flowers grow big and strong. Water is also important for flowers to drink. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Green color. Some flowers grow on trees, while others grow in the ground. Blue color. Flowers can be red, yellow, blue, pink, and many more colors. We can plant flowers in gardens to make them pretty. Yellow color. Flowers can be used to make perfumes and other scents. Some flowers are even used in cooking, like edible roses. Orange color. Flowers are a great way to brighten up a room or a space. We can give flowers to people we love. Green color. Flowers symbolize many things like love, beauty, and joy. Purple color. Flowers are a reminder of nature's beauty all around us. Learning about flowers can be a fun and interesting adventure. Brown color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.